So I started my consultancy business trading time for money, which is I wouldn't encourage anyone to do. When I reframed my own mind to position myself based on value and then started charging on value, I realized that I had bandwidth, to be honest with you. Rather than making work to make money, I could create value for my clients in a meaningful and impactful way and still have bandwidth from a time, effort, and energy standpoint. What I learned about myself is that anytime I went through a transformation in my life, it was because I had a coach. You forced me to do the deep inner work required to think about what I wanted. And when I did that, it became evident to me that the work I was doing within the mining space was fulfilling, but I wanted to have a bigger impact. I sat on your virtual couch and you asked me questions about my childhood and then the beliefs and values that I had around that, and really then the philosophy for how I make decisions and how I live my life, I guess. I feel very strongly that you need to do the deep inner work yourself to understand yourself before you can show up and be a servant in the way that I wanted to be. I don't think I would have got there without help and without coaching and a willingness to get uncomfortable. That was probably one of the biggest shifts, is just getting from that corporate speak crap to getting words on paper that sound like you would say. And when I shifted, and when you coached me through shifting that mentality, it's like, oh, this is way easier. I'm so thankful for you and what you did for me, in the sense that I would come into a session and I'd say, I think this, and you'd be like, no, you don't, that's crap. About this, and this. And you helped me open up my mind in a way that I didn't know how to do before. So I'm grateful for that forever.